Welcome to Lego Academy. Now in this video we're going to handle a question under geometric progression, and here the statement says for the geometric progression 20,5, 1, 1/4, find number A, the common ratio, number B, the nth term, C, the sum of the first 8 terms. So to find the common ratio, since we've been given the terms, here we have T1, which is the first term, T2, which is the second term, and T3, which is the third term, so we can find the common ratio. So to find the common ratio, it is being represented by R. So R is equal to, so here we're going to say T2 over T1, or if we want we can apply T3 over T2. So this is how we find the common ratio. T2 is the second term, and here the second term, that is 5. So this is going to be 5 over the first term, that is 20. So this is our R. So we can simplify this one. So that is 5 over 20. So this is giving us 1/4, decimal number, that is 0.25. So R is equal to 1/4 or 0.25. This is our common ratio. The second question, they are saying find the nth term. We are going to apply this formula. So number B, Tn is equal to AR to the power n minus 1. So the nth term, here on Tn we are putting the same n, so Tn is equal to, since we are finding the nth term, so when finding the nth term, it is the equation that we are making. So A, this is the first term, so A represents the first term. So our first term here, that is 20. So this is going to be 20 multiplied by, so the common ratio, it is 1/4 or 0.25. So if we use 1/4, meaning we have to put it in brackets, 1/4 to the power n minus 1. So this one we can leave it here. This is our nth term. So do not multiply this 20 by this one here, because this one is having this power. You can only multiply this 20 by this when you've solved this fraction to this power. So for the last one, which is the sum of the first 8 terms, so sum of the first 8 terms, number C, sum of the first 8 terms. So the formula, now when our common ratio is less than 1, meaning the formula that we apply, it is 1 minus R to the power n over 1 minus R. Our A, that is the first term, which is 20. Inside we have 1 minus R. So here we can use the 0.25. So 0.25 to the power n, the number of terms, that is 8, since we are finding the sum of the first 8 terms, over, so here the denominator we have 1 minus 0.25. So we can compute this. So to compute this on a calculator, on the numerator part we have 20, open bracket, 1 minus open bracket 0.25 close to the power 8 close. So that is the answer. So the answer divided by, on the denominator part here we have 1 minus 0.25, so divided by 1 minus 0.25, so this is giving us 26.6. so we can round this number to decimal place, so this is going to be 26.67. So sum of the first 8 terms is equal to 26.67. This is how we handle questions under geometric progression.